हाय फ्रेंड्स, आज आपण इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स पार्ट 1चा फर्स्ट चॅप्टरच्या नोट्स बघणार आहोत. बेसिस ऑफ मायक्रोकंट्रोलर अँड इंटेल 8051 आर्किटेक्चर. इथे आपल्याला कंटेंट्स दिलेले फर्स्ट चॅप्टरचे. त्यातला फर्स्ट पॉईंट आहे इंट्रोडक्शन. एम्बेडेड सिस्टीम. An embedded system uses either a microcontroller or microprocessor to perform a single task. एक्झाम्पल आहेत माऊस, प्रिंटर, रिमोट कंट्रोल ऑफ TVs are example of embedded system. Second point is microprocessor and microcontroller. Microcontroller also called a single chip microcontroller. यातला डिफरन्स बघूया आपण. हे प्रिवियस इयरचं क्वेश्चन आहे. मेन्शन एनी टू डिफरन्स बिटवीन मायक्रोकंट्रोलर अँड प्रोसेसर. फर्स्ट बघूया मायक्रोप्रोसेसर यूज इन PC आणि मायक्रोकंट्रोलर यूज इन MP3 प्लेयर्स, वॉशिंग मशीन. Memories like RAM and ROM are absent in microprocessor, carries RAM and ROM etc. in microcontroller. Runs at a very high speed in microprocessor, runs at a relatively lower speed in microcontroller. Microprocessor, it is complex and costly. Microcontroller, simple and cheap. Heartbeat of the system in microprocessor, heart of the embedded system in microcontroller. Power saving mode is not generally available in microprocessor. Power saving mode is generally available in microcontroller. नेक्स्ट पॉईंट बघणार आहोत इंटेल फॅमिली ऑफ मायक्रोकंट्रोलर्स. In 1981, Intel introduced an 8-bit microcontroller called the 8051. It has a 128 bytes RAM, 4 KB on-chip ROM, 2 timers, 1 serial port, 4 parallel ports which handle 8-bit data, 5 interrupts. Explain any 5 features of 8051. Previous year question है. 4 KB byte on-chip program memory, ROM, 128 bytes on-chip data memory RAM, 4 register banks, 128 user-defined software flags, 8-bit bidirectional data bus, 16-bit unidirectional address bus, 32 general purpose register, each of 8-bit, 2 16-bit timers, 3 internal and 2 external interrupts. 8051 may also have a number of special features such as UARTs, ADC, OPAM, etc. Application of 8051 microcontroller. First, consumer application, remote controller, home application, washing machine, home security, communication system, paging device, office, printer, laser printer, automobiles, engine control, aeronautical and space, medical equipment, pressure control, temperature, robotics, defense systems, remote sensing. Next point, architecture of 8051 microcontroller. Block diagram of 8051. ALU, arithmetic and logic unit. First point, ALU perform arithmetic and logic operation. ALU also manipulate data. Individual bit of register can be set, reset, cleared, complemented, tested, used in logical computation. Different types of register in 8051 microcontroller. First, general purpose register, byte addressable register, special function register, bit addressable register. RAM 256 bytes, त्याचे 2 टाईप्समध्ये कन्वर्जन होतं. जनरल पर्पज 128 bytes, special function 128 bytes. CPU, it is the heart of the microcontroller. It is responsible for executing the instructions, for performing calculation and taking decisions required condition. Next point, internal RAM organization. Internal RAM. First point, the 8051 microcontroller has a 128 bytes of internal RAM. It has an address 00H to 7FH. These 128 bytes are divided into 3 different groups. First, register banks. Second, bit addressable RAM. Third, general purpose RAM. First, register banks. 00H to 1FH, 32 bytes. Internal RAM has a 4 register banks. Bank 0, Bank 1, Bank 2, Bank 3. Each register bank has 8 registers: R0, R1, R2, R3, R4, R5, R6, R7. By default, on a reset, Bank 0 is selected. The area from Bank 1 onwards can used as a stack. चार्टमध्ये रजिस्टर बँक आणि ॲड्रेस दिले आहे. 00 बँक 0, 01 बँक 1, 10 बँक 2, 11 बँक 3. नेक्स्ट पॉईंट, बीट ॲड्रेसेबल रॅम. 20H to 2FH, 16 bytes. The bit addressable RAM area extends from location 20H to 2FH. Next, these 16 bytes provide 128 bits. As a 16 into 8 is equal to 128. These 128 bits are addressed from 00H to 7FH. Boolean instructions are used to access any of the individual bits from this bit addressable area. Next, general purpose RAM. 30H to 7FH, 80 bytes. First, it is also called as a scratch pad RAM. It has a 80 byte storage. The RAM area spans from 30H to 7FH. It is only byte addressable. Next point, special function registers, SFRs. 128 bytes of additional on-chip RAM locations from 80H to FFH reserved special function registers. SFRs means special function registers. Each special function register has an address and a name. 8051 has a 21 special function registers. 11 special function register are bit addressable. List of special function register: accumulator, register A, B, data pointer, two types of data pointer: A, data pointer high, data pointer low, stack pointer, program status word, port reaches, serial communication, timer counter, interrupt registers, power control, program status word, PSW register. It is a 8-bit special function register. It is a bit addressable as well as byte addressable. It has a address of D0H, conditional flags, carry flag, auxiliary carry flag, overflow and parity carry flag, user defined flag F0, and register bank selector bits RS1 and RS0. Next, carry flag. Carry flag 1 when there is a carry of D7 bit. Carry flag 0 when there no carry out of D7 bit. Next point, it is affected after addition or subtraction. It is used in arithmetic, logical, jump, rotate, Boolean operation. Next, AC auxiliary carry flag. Auxiliary carry equals to 1 when there is carry out of from D3 to D4 bit. Auxiliary carry 0 when there no carry out from D3 to D4 bit. It is affected after addition or subtraction. It is used in instruction that perform BCD, binary coded decimal arithmetic. F0 user definable flag dash user definable flag, which is used to store single bit of data. OV overflow flag. It is used in sign arithmetic. Overflow occurs when the result of sign arithmetic operation is too large, so it cannot be stored in one register. P parity flag. Parity flag is equal to 1 if the number of ones in the accumulator is odd. Parity flag 0 if the number of ones in the accumulator is even. नेक्स्ट व्हिडिओमध्ये पिन डायग्राम ऑफ 8051 बघणार आहोत. जर तुम्हाला हा व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक, सबस्क्राईब आणि कमेंट्स करायला विसरू नका.